how to change your Facebook account on Oculus Quest 2. I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook account on Oculus Quest 2. First, open the link meta.com support, which leads you to the Meta support page, which is part of the Meta Quest 2. Now, click on any of the four options on the page. For demonstration, I'm choosing a headset that is part of the Meta Quest 2. Then, another page will ask for specifics of your issues and select any of them. After that, repeat this once more for another page and click "This did not solve my issue." Then click on Chatting, as this is the fastest way to get responses from Meta support agents. If you're already on this page again, choose Chat with Customer Support. After that, you will be asked to fill out your name, email, and other info. Provide them with what they're asking for. Now click on the option Start Chat with Agent. From here, you just have to talk to customer support and ask them if unlinking the accounts is possible. Next, create an Oculus account with a Facebook login. While creating an account, you can select Login and link it with your Facebook account. If you want to set up a password on Android, launch the Oculus app on your phone. Here, tap on the hamburger icon in the More option. Next, tap on Set Password and type in your password, then tap on Save. You can also launch the Oculus app on your computer. Then click on the gear icon and then choose Settings. From the Account option, click on Connect below Linked Accounts to link your account. Also, you can click on Disconnect to unlink your account. To link or unlink your Oculus account with Facebook from your phone, launch the Oculus app on your smartphone. After that, tap on the hamburger icon in More options. Now tap on Linked Accounts and tap Next to link to Facebook or unlink your account with Oculus.